Today we have to see the double fertilization. First of all, see what is meant by the fertilization. We know that the male gamete combines with female gamete that is the female gamete is the haploid and male gamete also haploid. Then formation of zygote, that is the diploid zygote. This process is called as the fertilization, and this fertilization process is occurring all type of plant. Then in previous lecture we have to see the pollen tube. In that pollen tube, the nuclei, this nuclei is called as a tube nuclei, and two gametes are formed. This is the male gametes, and the cytoplasm is present in this pollen tube, and this is called as a male gametophyte. And then egg cell, that is the embryo, having the 3 cells in upper part and 3 cells and the lower part. Then this cells called as a antipode or antipodal cells, and middle one is the secondary nucleus, and this middle is called as a egg, and two adjacent called as a synergy. This two male gamete is combines with the female gamete. This is the female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. In that the one male gamete, this is the haploid, is combined with the egg. It also haploid. Then formation of zygote. This one male gamete is combined with the egg of the female gametophyte and form of the zygote, that is the diploid zygote, and this process is called as the syngamy. This process is called as syngamy. Then second male gamete combines with secondary nucleus, this nucleus, they form a PEN. PEN stands for primary endosperm nucleus. This is the haploid and this secondary is the diploid, and formation of the triploid. Then this process is called as a triple fusion. And total process, that is the two male gametes are combined with the egg and secondary nucleus. This total process is called as double fertilization. See that in figure, the pollen grains are deposited on the stigma, and the pollens through the style are entered in by the micropill in the egg, and this entering of pollen tube into ovule, there are the double fertilization having the 3 ways. Then entry of pollen tube into ovule, that is 3 ways. This first way, in that the first way is the porogamy. Second way, that is the chalazogamy. And third one, it is called as the mesogamy. Further, the simple diagram, that is the when this pollen tubes enters through the micropyle. This pollen tube is entered through the micropyle, then it is called as a porogamy. Pollen tube enter through micropyle, then it is called as a porogamy. When this pollen tube enter through chalaza, then it is called as a chalazogamy. Enter through chalaza. And when this pollen tube enter through integument, then it is called as a mesogamy. These are the three ways of the entry of pollen tube into the ovule. Today we have to see the male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Formation of this male gamete, that is the two male gamete, one are combines with the egg and formation of the zygote, then it is called as the syngamy. Then second gamete is combines with the secondary nucleus. This secondary nucleus and form as the primary endosperm nucleus, that is the 3N triple nucleus. Therefore, it is called as a triple fusion, and total process is called as a double fertilization. In entry of pollen tube into the ovule, that is the three ways for the entry of pollen tube into ovule. When the pollen tube enter through the micropyle, then it is called as the porogamy. When this pollen tube enter through the chalaza, then it is called as a chalazogamy. And when this pollen tube enter through the integument, then it is called as a mesogamy.